Meet the silent killer. Diabetes is fast becoming the world's deadliest disease. The World Health Organization predicts that by 2025, the number of diabetes cases globally will rise by a phenomenal 150%, and diabetes cases in India will increase by an incredible 195%. Diabetes, the most common lifestyle disorder, is just the beginning. If left unchecked, it could lead to several other complications like coronary heart disease, kidney failure, or even stroke. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder that may result in a deficiency or dysfunction of insulin production. The main causative factor is said to be sedentary lifestyle and improper eating habits. The ancient holistic healing and wellness science of Ayurveda refers to diabetes as prameha. Ayurveda says that proper diet, exercise, and internal medication can help prevent diabetes and even cure the disease in some cases. Presenting Glucose Support. Glucose Support, marketed exclusively by Blue Life, is a proprietary combination of Ayurvedic herbs like methi, saptaranga, vrikshamla, yashti, and arjuna, and has proven efficacy in maintaining glycemic health without any side effects. The ingredients in Glucose Support are known to have a marked effect on helping maintain the glucose balance in the body. Galactomannan, present in methi or fenugreek, is a natural soluble fiber that slows down the rate of sugar absorption into blood. Methi also contains amino acids responsible for inducing the production of insulin. Saptaranga has been proven to alleviate the root cause of diabetes by correcting the functioning of the liver and the pancreas. Vrikshamla is said to be a natural appetite suppressant that prevents any storage of fat in the body. Yashti helps in regulating the functioning of the liver. Arjuna is a powerful antioxidant. The phytochemicals present in this herb lower the levels of bad cholesterol, and Arjuna is said to be extremely effective in cases of diabetes. Suggested usage: 1 to 2 capsules per day or as directed by your healthcare professional. Defeat diabetes in its own game. Adopt Glucose Support and take control of your life.